Baby elephants, known as calves, are fascinating and endearing creatures. Here are some interesting facts about them. Birth and early life. Elephants have a long gestation period of about 22 months, the longest of any land animal. Calves typically weigh between 200 to 300 pounds, 90 to 135 kilograms, at birth and stand about 3 feet, 1 meter, tall. Family and social structure. Calves are born into a highly social family unit led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and largest female. They are heavily dependent on their mothers and other female relatives for protection, nourishment, and learning. Development. Baby elephants nurse from their mothers for up to 2 years but start experimenting with solid food at around 6 months old. They learn vital skills by mimicking older elephants, including how to use their trunks to eat, drink, and interact with their environment. Communication and behavior. Calves communicate through a variety of sounds, including trumpeting, rumbling, and chirping, as well as through body language. Play is an essential part of a calf's development, helping them to build strength, coordination, and social bonds. Protection and survival. The entire herd plays a role in protecting and nurturing the young. If a threat arises, adults will form a protective circle around the calves. Baby elephants are vulnerable to predators like lions and hyenas, but with the herd's protection, they have a good chance of survival. Baby elephants are not only adorable but also crucial to the survival and continuity of elephant herds. Their playful and curious nature is a joy to observe, and they play a significant role in the dynamics of their social groups.